Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid in New York. First, let's understand who qualifies. To be eligible, you must be a New York State resident and meet certain citizenship or immigration requirements. Your eligibility also depends on your income, assets, age, and family situation. For instance, income and asset limits are set, and these can vary. Specific pathways exist for individuals who are 65 or older, blind, or have a disability. It's important to check the current guidelines to see where you fit. Once you understand the eligibility criteria, the next crucial step is gathering all necessary documents. You'll need proof of your identity, age, and citizenship or immigration status. Be sure to include income verification, such as your last 4 weeks of paycheck stubs or benefit statements. Also, provide proof of your New York residency, like a rent receipt or a recent utility bill. If you have any other health insurance, include those details as well. Having these ready will streamline your application process. There are several convenient ways to apply for Medicaid in New York. Most adults under 65, pregnant individuals, and children can apply online through the NY State of Health Marketplace. However, if you are 65 or older, blind, or disabled, you should apply through your local Department of Social Services. You can also apply by phone or in person at a local office. Additionally, free in-person help is available from facilitated enrollers in your community. After submitting your Medicaid application, you'll want to know what happens next. Generally, eligibility determinations are made within 45 days for most applicants. For pregnant women and children, this timeframe is often expedited to 30 days. If your application requires a disability determination, it may take up to 90 days. You will receive notifications about your application status and when it's time for your annual renewal. Keep an eye out for any requests for additional information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.